3:34 p.m. But the coffee is on point. Oh man, I just love the taste of coffee. And today we are starting Network Core Protocols room, task number 1, introduction. This room is the third room in a series of 4 rooms about computer networking. We have the 4 rooms over here. We are inside the third one, and these 2 are already done. So you can go back to my channel and visit them. They are 100% completed. And the last one that we will do after core protocols is secure protocols. Room prerequisites. To benefit from this room, we recommend that you know the following: ISO, OSI model and layers, TCP/IP model and layers, Ethernet, IP and TCP protocols. All of these are covered inside my network videos. So you can either watch these rooms or just search for keywords. In other words, starting this room after network concepts is recommended approach. Learning objectives. By the time you finish this room, you will have learned about the following protocols. WHO is. Who is? DNS, almost saying WTF, but it's HTTP. I don't know the correlation, but anyway. And FTP. SMTP, POP3, and IMAP. Click on the start attack button on the right. So we just have to start the machine because we have some practical exercises. Give them 2-3 minutes to boot. All right, answer the questions below. Our hardest question. Get your notepad ready and let's begin.